Hello, welcome to my channel. For today's project I'll be making a mini bookcase. To begin, use a pencil to trace 3 arches onto a piece of coaster board. Use a coffee stick to create space between each arch. Cut out the 3 arches. Cut out the surrounding coaster board so to use as the sides, and then glue on. Use quilling paper to hide the seams. Cut 2 pieces of coaster board to fit for the top and the bottom. On the inside, glue a second piece of coaster board onto the bottom. For the sides, glue coffee sticks at the top and bottom, cutting away excess wood, and then sand smooth. Glue down 2 sticks for the top and 2 sticks for the bottom, 4 in total. Trim the top at an angle. At the top, for each side, glue down a piece of 24 gauge wire. To complete the sides, glue down a second layer of sticks for both the top and bottom, and then cover the seams with quilling paper. Cut, and then bend 3 pieces of 18 gauge wire, and then glue the wire into place. At the middle, for each side, glue down a piece of coffee stick, and then a piece of 24 gauge wire, and then another piece of coffee stick. For both sides, glue down 3 pieces of quilling paper to hide the seams. Paint with acrylic paint, and then cut out a piece of construction paper to fit. Glue 6 shelves onto the paper, and then paint. Finally, glue paper onto the back of the bookcase. All done. If you've made it to the end, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.